Hello, fellow food lovers. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of M&Ms. These little candies are a global sensation. They're known for their colorful shells and milk chocolate centers. But have you ever wondered how M&Ms are made? What's the story behind their creation? Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the magic behind those irresistible M&Ms. From their humble beginnings to their iconic status, M&Ms have a rich and fascinating history. We'll explore their journey through time, from their invention to their worldwide popularity. Get ready to discover the secrets behind this beloved candy. It's a story filled with innovation, determination, and of course lots and lots of chocolate. So, let's embark on this sweet adventure together. We'll uncover the magic that transforms simple ingredients into one of the world's most beloved candies. Get ready to satisfy your curiosity and your sweet tooth. Every great invention has a creator, and for M&Ms it was the dynamic duo of Forrest Mars Sr. and Bruce Murrie. Forrest Mars Sr., a shrewd businessman with a passion for confectionery, saw an opportunity in the candy market. He envisioned a candy that wouldn't melt in the heat, perfect for soldiers on the go. Enter Bruce Murrie, son of Hershey Chocolate's president William Murrie. With Bruce on board, they secured a deal to use Hershey chocolate, and M&Ms were born. The year was 1941, and little did they know, their creation would soon become a global phenomenon. Their partnership brought together the perfect blend of business acumen and chocolate expertise. Mars provided the vision and drive, while Murrie's connections to Hershey secured the crucial ingredient delicious milk chocolate. Together they laid the foundation for what would become one of the world's most iconic candy brands. You might be surprised to learn that the inspiration for M&Ms came from a rather unexpected place, the battlefields of the Spanish Civil War. During this tumultuous period, Forrest Mars Sr. witnessed soldiers eating chocolate pellets coated in a hard candy shell. This innovative approach prevented the chocolate from melting in the heat, a common problem for soldiers. This simple yet ingenious solution sparked an idea in Mars's entrepreneurial mind. He recognized the potential of creating a candy that could withstand warm temperatures, making it ideal for year-round enjoyment. The Spanish Civil War, though a time of great hardship, inadvertently provided the inspiration for a sweet treat that would bring joy to millions worldwide. The wartime candy served as a proof of concept. It demonstrated the feasibility and appeal of a chocolate candy with a protective shell. This experience stayed with Mars, eventually leading him to develop M&Ms with his own unique twist. Section 4, From Bean to Bar, the chocolate journey begins. This is the story of how a simple cocoa bean transforms into the delightful M&Ms we all love. The journey of an M&M begins with the humble cocoa bean, sourced from various tropical regions around the world. These regions include countries like Ghana, Ivory Coast, and Indonesia, where the climate is perfect for growing high-quality cocoa. These beans are harvested by skilled farmers who carefully select the ripest pods. Once harvested, the beans are fermented in large wooden boxes, a crucial step that develops the beans' complex flavors. After fermentation, the beans are spread out in the sun to dry, a process that can take several days. Upon arrival at the M&M's factory, the beans undergo a rigorous cleaning process to remove any impurities. They are then roasted in large ovens, a step that enhances their rich flavor and aroma. The roasting process is carefully monitored to ensure the beans reach the perfect level of doughness. Next, the roasted beans are crushed and ground into a thick paste known as chocolate liquor. This paste is the foundation of all chocolate products and is incredibly rich and aromatic. This chocolate liquor is then pressed using industrial machinery to separate the cocoa butter from the cocoa solids. The pressing process is essential for creating the different textures and flavors in chocolate. The cocoa butter, a smooth and creamy fat, is collected in large vats. It is a key ingredient in creating the smooth texture of M&M's chocolate. Meanwhile, the cocoa solids, which are rich in flavor, are collected in separate containers. These separated components are then blended with sugar, milk powder, and other ingredients according to M&M's secret recipe. This blending process is crucial for achieving the perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess that M&Ms are known for. The mixture undergoes a process called conching, where it's continuously stirred and heated for hours, even days. Conching helps to refine the flavor and texture of the chocolate, ensuring it is smooth and free of any graininess. This crucial step refines the flavor and texture of the chocolate, creating the melt-in-your-mouth experience M&Ms are famous for. The finished chocolate is then poured into molds, ready to be transformed into the colorful candy-coated M&Ms that bring joy to millions around the world. Section 5. A rainbow of flavors, creating the signature M&M's shell. Now comes the fun part, coating the chocolate centers with their signature colorful shells. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming simple chocolate into the iconic M&Ms we all know and love. The liquid chocolate is first shaped into small, round discs, destined to become the heart of each M&M. These tiny chocolate cores are meticulously crafted to ensure they have the perfect size and shape, ready to be enveloped in their vibrant shells. These chocolate centers then take a tumble in a rotating drum, where they're coated with layers of sugary syrup. This tumbling process is crucial as it ensures an even coating, giving each M&M its uniform appearance. This syrup is what gives M&Ms their hard candy shell, protecting the chocolate inside and providing that satisfying crunch. The syrup hardens to form a sturdy shell, which is essential for keeping the chocolate intact and preventing it from melting in your hands. But it's not just about structure. This is where the magic of color comes in. The addition of vibrant hues transforms these candies into a visual delight, making them as appealing to the eyes as they are to the taste buds. Food-safe dyes are added to the syrup, creating a vibrant rainbow of red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and brown M&Ms. These dyes are carefully selected to ensure they are safe for consumption, while providing the bright, eye-catching colors that M&Ms are famous for. Each color is added separately. This meticulous process ensures that each M&M is coated evenly, resulting in a batch of candies that are uniform in color and appearance. This ensures that the M&Ms maintain their distinct hues and don't end up as a muddy brown mess. The separation of colors is a critical step in the production process, guaranteeing that each candy retains its vibrant shade. The process is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect color consistency and vibrancy that M&Ms are known for. Quality control measures are in place to ensure that every M&M meets the high standards of color and quality, making sure that each piece is as delightful as the last. Section 6. Polished to perfection, getting that M&M's shine. The journey of an M&M doesn't just stop at having a delicious candy shell. There's a whole process dedicated to making sure each piece looks as good as it tastes. Once the candy shells have hardened, it's time to give them their signature shine. This step is crucial because it transforms the candies from simple treats into iconic glossy delights that catch the eye. The M&Ms go through a meticulous polishing process that adds a glossy finish, making them even more visually appealing. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sensory experience that starts with the eyes. This process also smooths out any imperfections on the shells, ensuring that each M&M looks as good as it tastes. The polishing helps to create a uniform appearance, making each candy a perfect little gem. The polishing is achieved by tumbling the candies in large rotating drums with a food-grade polishing agent. This agent is safe to consume and is specifically designed to give the candies their brilliant shine. This gentle buffing action creates a smooth, glossy surface that reflects light, giving M&Ms their characteristic shine. The light reflection is what makes M&Ms so visually striking, adding to their overall appeal. It's this attention to detail that adds to the visual appeal of M&Ms, making them even more tempting to eat. The shine is not just for show, it enhances the entire eating experience, making each bite more enjoyable. The polishing process not only enhances their appearance, but also prevents the candies from sticking together. This is important because it ensures that each M&M remains a distinct individual piece, ready to be savored. This ensures that when you open a bag of M&Ms, you're greeted by a cascade of individual, brightly colored candies ready to be enjoyed. The sight of those shiny, colorful candies pouring out is a delight in itself, setting the stage for the delicious experience that follows. So the next time you enjoy a handful of M&Ms, take a moment to appreciate the shine. It's a testament to the care and craftsmanship that goes into making each piece a little work of art. Behind every shiny M&M is a team dedicated to quality and perfection, ensuring that each candy not only tastes great but also looks impeccable. This commitment to excellence is what makes M&Ms a beloved treat around the world. From the classic milk chocolate to the various flavors and colors, the shine is a signature feature that ties all M&Ms together, making them instantly recognizable and universally loved. It's this iconic shine that has become a part of the M&M's brand, symbolizing fun, quality, and a little bit of magic in every bite. Section 7. Every candy counts. Sorting and packaging M&Ms. Before they're ready to be enjoyed, the freshly polished M&Ms undergo a meticulous sorting process. Advanced machinery and keen-eyed inspectors work in tandem to ensure that only the highest quality candies make the cut. Any broken, misshapen, or imperfectly colored M&Ms are removed, maintaining the brand's commitment to quality and consistency. Once sorted, the M&Ms are ready for their final destination: packaging. They're funneled into their iconic, colorful bags, each containing a carefully calibrated mix of colors. The bags are then sealed, ensuring freshness and preventing those colorful candies from escaping before they reach your hands. The packaging process is highly automated, ensuring efficiency and precision. From the initial sorting to the final sealing, every step is designed to maintain the quality and integrity of these beloved candies. It's a testament to the meticulous care that goes into every aspect of M&M's production.